She is first starting by parting along the hairline, down behind the ear, leaving about an inch. We're gonna clip that up, get it out of our way, and then she's gonna take the topper gripper, place that right in the part where you're gonna be clipping your topper to, stretch that clear band down under the rest of the hair, and make sure it's good and secure at the nape of the neck. Then you can let your hair down. You're gonna kind of comb around and make sure that your hair is out on each side of that clear band. Okay, next you're gonna take your topper. Now this is not her topper. We're just playing here in the salon today, but we just want to show you exactly how to use this. You're gonna tuck the teeth of the clip right there under the topper gripper, clip that first clip down, and then proceed with your other 3 clips. Just like that. So this might be something that you want to add to your Lauren Ashtyn topper to secure that topper on.